you want to take your money from your bank account, your hard-earned time, money, and transfer it into hard money in Bitcoin with the lowest fees in the crypto space, oh, then I have a treat for you, because this video is on Swissborg, the best fiat on-ramp app on mobile that you can get today. Let's talk about it. Here it is. Look how beautiful this is. You've saved me. You've taken me away from Coinbase. Thank you. Because Coinbase sucks. Especially compared to this. This blows it out of the water. So as you can see, Swissborg is on Apple and on Google Play. And you're probably already thinking about downloading it. And if you are, use my referral link down below. You'll get given a ticket where you can win up to $100 in Bitcoin. So any fees that you do get on this app, which are only 1%, will be wiped out by the fact that you clicked my link and used my referral link, and you have zero fees because you could win up to $100. I mean, this is what the tickets look like. Super easy to do. It's literally just click the link, and then if you feel that you are happy with Swissborg, then you can do the same and send your friends your own link, and you can both get tickets, money, fees paid for, free Bitcoin. If you're a popular person, then you can make a lot of money. Another way that you can make a lot of money with Swissborg is by downloading their community app. Now this app is a prediction market app where you predict the price of Bitcoin going up or down. You put your points in. The points are completely free. There's no risk to it. And you can either, if you're right or wrong, you move up or down the leaderboard. Obviously you want to be right. Move up the leaderboard, get more points, and then you'll put into a pool of people that can win. I think it's about £1 million or $1.5 million. And you also have a chance of winning Swissborg tokens, which I will touch on what they're all about later on in the video. So the community app and the normal app, referral links down below for both. Now coming back to this beautiful app, then you can see how nicely it's laid out. You can see your portfolio holdings if you want to keep it on app. And then also we have, this is the game changer, is the fact that they don't just hold the cryptocurrencies themselves and sell them to you. They actually go to multiple exchanges using their smart engine to buy the cryptos for you. That's why you get the best price. That's why on Coinbase you get stung for fees, but then you also get stung in the spread of the market. On Swissborg, there's none of that. They're looking for the best prices and they take it from multiple exchanges. So the app supports all of these cryptocurrencies you can see behind me, obviously Big Daddy Bitcoin and Ethereum, and a plethora of other ERC20 tokens. And you can see in the number 3 spot there, we actually have a Swissborg token. Now the Swissborg token itself is an ERC20 token, and you might think, oh, what is this? Just another pathetic money grab from a company. But you would be wrong. Because this is what I first thought when I heard about the Swissborg token back in 2017 when they launched their ICO. The reason why I thought this was because they said that you could invest in the ICO, but you will not receive your tokens until 2020. Obviously, we're in 2020 now. The app has been launched in 2020, and it made sense that they did that. Back then, it didn't make sense because it was ICO mania, and all those ICO projects that released their token before a working product nosedived and lost people a lot of money, including myself, that I have no ICO that I am profiting. I bought the worst ICOs. I just threw my money at rubbish. But now here we are today with the Swissborg token with real utility. So what is that utility? Well, if you buy 50,000 CHSB tokens and lock them up for 1 year, then you enjoy the benefits of being a premium user on the app. This allows you to get 0% fees for cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and transferring in and out of stable coins, and just 0.5% fees for other cryptocurrencies. So currently Swissborg is worth 7 cents, and obviously if we times that by 50, we get $3,500. So it's $3,500 to become a premium member on Swissborg. At the moment, as this app grows more popular, I can really see the price of that exploding, which we saw this year. I think it's up about 600% this year. And the guys at Swissborg also do a buyback and burn of the CHSBC token, which obviously decreases the supply, a bit of pumpermentals in there to increase the price. You can also stake, and they've got voting rights for holding the tokens to go to vote on the direction of the app itself, and certain governance things, which is what crypto's all about, taking out the middlemen, giving power to the people, and people that are loyal to the app can benefit from this. Now this is all well and good, especially if you're someone with a lot of money that can afford the $3,500 to purchase the Swissborg token and receive the benefits of 0% fees. For someone like me that's only playing around with a small amount of money, and I'm not really getting in and out of the market that much, although I did sell half a Bitcoin the other day, which cost me £40 in fees. That's the 1% fee that Swissborg charge for withdrawing into a bank account, which is again way less than what Coinbase would be. I would have benefited from having the premium account, but I would have to withdraw a lot of money to really benefit from the premium account, which has kind of put me off buying the Swissborg token. But this big announcement from Swissborg saying that they're going to be introducing smart yield accounts into the actual app itself has really pushed me to start purchasing more Swissborg tokens, because they're actually going to be tapping into the DeFi space and different DeFi protocols and liquidity pool providing, yield farming, and all these other ways to earn more interest on your coins. And it's going to add way more utility to the actual Swissborg token. They are planning to add high interest accounts to stablecoin holdings in the app, and then you're going to be able to double that when you become a Swissborg premium member. If you see here, you can stake your CHSB to double your earnings with a premium account. Now this is going to really hopefully pull a lot of people into the app. I can see this becoming very popular. I know a lot of big YouTubers that get behind Swissborg and going to be promoting it, and I hope to God that this is going to rise Swissborg up to the best fiat on ramp that everyone talks about in the crypto space. Like, it's a no-brainer. And again, if you are thinking about getting on board with Swissborg, use my referral link down below. Shill. Now behind me you can see all these beautiful, happy, smiling people that have created the best fiat on-ramp in the crypto space. Obviously they got a reason to smile. But what I just want to touch on quickly is the fact that the team are really dedicated and transparent in what they are doing. So Cyrus here has a YouTube channel and it's only got 8.5 thousand subscribers, so quite small, although actually it's an okay size in our small little crypto pond. But every single week he goes on his YouTube channel, he explains what's going on with Swissborg, what they're planning on doing, talks about some crypto news, and just engages with the community. His brother Alexander Faisal also has a YouTube channel, Crypto Nights. They have big names on that are in the crypto space where they talk about things. You can see Charles Hoskinson up in the banner. Again, he's only got 6,000 subscribers, which is shocking to me. And yeah, thank you to you guys for building Swissborg and getting me off Coinbase. That's if you can take anything away from this video and you are using Coinbase and you're not on Swissborg, make the change. You will see the big difference. I know I'm shilling my referral link. Just click it, use it, get fees paid for, go tell your friends about it, get yourself some tickets sent out, and yeah, just go use the app and let me know what you think of it. Just tell me if you think there is a huge difference between Coinbase and Swissborg. Again, thank you to the guys over at Swissborg for building this. That's all I've got to say on this video. Just come check it out yourself, download it, look at the website, learn about it, get ready for smart yielding accounts. I'll see you in the next video.